It's me, Mohammad Sifla Khan, and today I will talk about a very horrible and a very worst situation that's going through in India, in the capital of India, Delhi, where I just want to say that they are disrespecting Vande Mataram slogan and also making fun of Jai Hind world because the people of Hind are in a danger. People of Hind are killing the people of Hind. The party BJP, their workers are the way they are being forced, they are being motivated to kill the Muslims, their brothers and sisters. From the 23rd, I can say you. February it was started when the Donald Trump is coming from America to India to meet Narendra Modi, and after this, in Ahmedabad when he come to on 24th February. At that time, the peak gets its position in Delhi, where the violations and finishing the Muslims in the northeast and the southwest regions of the Delhi, where the Muslim population is in majority. After we know on 16th December in 2019 what happened in Jamia University in Delhi. The same process was repeated, but not on the students, but on the common citizens of India, on a specific Muslim people, which shows that the Constitution of India, which talk about the unity, the harmony, to respect every religion, every human, every religious and every culture equally, and every person have equal rights to share their opinion. They not disrespect any per caste, creed, color, and any sort of thing which would have reservers, non reservers kind of seats to give to those who are in less in majority, and to secure the minority problem in India was definitely disrupted due to this reason. We have seen in India, which I just strongly condemn. The people of India are where they gone. The humanity rights people, where they died their feelings to help out the Muslims. Why social media? Why media? Why every kind of the people was being to become a tool, or become a puppet of the voice of the majority people, which are supporters of the Hinduisms, Narendra Modi and BJP party, RSS, which we talk about. It is really a fascist system which is making our globally a negative message, which I strongly condemn from Pakistan. As a citizen of Pakistan, if I am not a citizen of Pakistan or any other place I have lived, I will strongly condemn this, because to kill a human is unethical and against norms, values, against the humanity survival, which definitely every religion condemn to secure humanity, is the first tool to awake and to unite the humanity, which India is violating in Delhi. And to misuse and using your police, the people, the government servants, the policemen, which also take this tax from the Muslims, majority people to minority people, to safeguard their lives. They are disrespecting their life. What is happening? The policemen of India has to be, the Delhi police need to be awake. What Ajran Kejriwal is doing? He was given these positions to hold, not to give full chance to the BJP government to make simple violations towards the Muslim minority people. So why they are doing this? Why every Indian media was feeling a insecurity to show the true face of the what BJP is doing in India? So I'm strongly condemning from Pakistan, as a Muslim, as a humanitarian person, as a motivational speaker, as a scientist, as whatever you can say. but I am a first human. I believe in humanity. I work for the humanity. I hate when people cry. I hate when people body was disrespect. When people properties, because to make a property is very difficult job. If you do it with your hard work, to stolen someone life is unrealistic and unethical, and it is, I strongly condemn this. So please awake India, please awake your people, because it is, and please awake globally humanity, because when, if you can awake UN, please, United Nations, please, I strongly my strongly proposal is for you, my strongly request for you, that please mediate, please help out the humanity in India, in Delhi, the Muslim people, because you can do it if you can. Otherwise, they are disrespecting their own constitution, India. So I can say, God bless humanity, and love you all, and stay blessed. May humanity survive. God bless you all. Love from Pakistan. Pakistan Zindabad.